So let me introduce my guest for tonight. It's his first time doing a podcast. He has different variants of himself in every universe. He mostly plays League of Legends Wild Rift. He is one of the guys behind the very successful Clash of Streamers, and he is also a streamer, graphic artist, content creator, and a professional trap. I don't know what that is. Let's go, Jumo!
Hello, what's up? Good afternoon po. Good afternoon, everyone.
Introduce yourself to our viewers. Let's go.
First of all, my name is Jumong. Yun ang na-mention ni Kuya Pao kanin earlier yung about me. That's mostly me. So, the very interesting thing about me is what do you call this?
Sige lang. Go!
Yung I do creative stuff. Ayun lang.